all hooked in for reverse. Sweet! Got a lot of guys out here at the field again today. So clearly enough wind for a reverse. It's supposed to be really smooth air today. We'll see what the flight brings. So I'm gonna see if I can't climb up to the top side of these first level of clouds. All right, so I'm at 2,500 and I just felt a raindrop and I can see why. So it does look like those clouds are probably more like 4,000 or 4,500, which is above my ceiling here. Class Bravo airspace starts at 4,000 feet. So I'm all done climbing here. No need to get any closer to this dark cloud. Gorgeous day. I mean, other than this cloud that's right above me, it's pretty much an awesome day. It's supposed to be like this all weekend. So it's actually my second time at the park today. My wife and my son and I came out and rode this trail that backs up to the park here. We took it about 3 miles off to the left, then we came back past our car, took it about 1.5 miles off that way and ate in Exton, and then we rode back to our car. It's about a 10-mile bike ride. That's pretty cool. Sweet. Looks like this big mansion that's always here, somebody's having a party. People look pretty dressed up too. Looks like a fancy affair. That place is crazy spectacular. All right, flight number 2. Winds have died down. Set up for a forward. Sweet. Patience is key, for sure. So I just sat there and waited for the cycle of wind to come back, and sure enough it did. I was also waiting for other guys to take off in front of me. One guy, Dan, he took off right before me, and I was sort of waiting for that. So I'm gonna go check out this corn run, and then I'm gonna go check out that party again. All right, here it comes. Nice and smooth. Some more party guests arriving. Nice, park the nice cars right up front. All right, let's take another pass and do a foot drag. I'm actually pretty confident I'm gonna go do a water foot drag. How's that? All right, out of the seat. Let's go check out this party again. So I think I'm gonna get some altitude and check out this party from above. Oh, that stinks. My motor just cut off on me. Oh, this is gonna work out actually pretty good. Right next to the road. All right, long walk back. let's go get my car and we'll put the motor on it.